How to fix Valorant VAN9003 error with the easy trick on Windows. So let's get started. Firstly, change secure boot mode. Turn off the computer, power on the computer, then when the logo appears, press ESC F1, F2, F10 or F12 depending on the system manufacturer to access the BIOS. In the BIOS, go to Advanced mode, select Settings from the left pane, then click on Advanced, then choose Windows OS configuration from the list, then click on Secure Boot and set Secure Boot to disable. Change the Secure Boot mode to Custom, then after the system mode changes to User, set Secure Boot mode to Standard again. Select Secure Boot and choose Enable from the option, then save the changes and exit the BIOS. Boot Windows and press the Windows key plus S to open search, then type system information in the text field and click on the relevant result. In the Summary tab, ensure that the Secure Boot state reads on. Then, secondly, enable TPM. Press the Windows key plus R to open Run, then type tpm.msc in the text field and press Enter. Check the status listed. When enabled, the TPM is ready to use. When disabled, Compatible Trusted Platform Module (TPM) cannot be found on this computer. If disabled, access the PC's BIOS. In the BIOS, navigate to Advanced Settings and select Security, then click on Trusted Computing. Choose Security Device Support and select Enable from the options. Then save the changes and exit the BIOS. Now, the solution 3 is set the VGC service to automatic. Press the Windows key plus R to open Run, then type services.msc in the text field and press C Enter. Scroll down and locate the VGC service, then right-click on the VGC service and select Properties. In the Properties window, choose Automatic from the Startup type down, then click the Start button under Services Status, then click Apply and OK to save the changes. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.